here is how to buy Toncoin with your local currency, like your Nigerian Naira, your Ghana Cedis, or any other local currency that you are using. Okay, here's how to buy Toncoin with that your local currency, and also transfer that Toncoin to your private wallet, maybe your Tonkeeper, your Telegram Tonspace wallet, or any other Ton wallet that you are using. Okay, I'm making this video based on demand for those of you that are always on my DM asking me how to buy Toncoin. So this video is for you. All right, you can also use this method to buy any other coin you want to buy. Okay, even if it's not Toncoin. All right, follow me if you not follow me already. Like this video for me and share with your contacts. All right, and the best you can do for me is to also like this video for me. Please like this video for me. All right, so right now we'll be using Bybit to demonstrate this. Reason being that Bybit supports P2P, because we'll also be needing P2P for this transaction. I would prefer we use the FluxyPay exchange, because the FluxyPay exchange is more user friendly, especially when it comes to newbies. Okay, but because the FluxyPay exchange does not currently support P2P, this is why we'll be using the Bybit exchange for now. So let's dive into it real quick. Here is my Bybit account. First, we need to buy USDT with our local currency. To do this, click on more, look for P2P trading. This is it here. Click on it. Click on acknowledge. So by default, you can see it's on buy. Since you want to buy, just leave it here on buy. If you want to sell, you can set it on sell. But here we are buying it, so let's leave it on buy. Then select your currency here. Select the currency that you are using based on your local currency. You can select it here, okay? But in this case, I'm using Naira, so I'll search for NGN. NGN. This is it here. Okay? So right now, I can enter the amount here I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 20,000 Naira worth of USDT. Okay, so I need to search for the merchant that will sell that amount for me. So I'll click on amount here. Then enter 20,000 Naira. Click on confirm. Now you can see this one here, GHS exchange wants to sell from 20,000 Naira to 71,000 Naira. So let's buy from this person. Click on buy. Enter the amount we want to buy, 20,000 Naira. Then next here, click on buy. Total we get is $12.98. That's what we get for this 20,000 Naira we want to buy. So click on buy. The next thing here, if you are okay to proceed, click on pay now. To see the merchant account details, click on pay now. Now this is the merchant account details. You can see the merchant name here. You can see the merchant account number. You can also see the merchant location based in Lagos, and you can see the merchant bank. So right now, copy the merchant account number, go to your bank app and send exactly this 20,000 Naira. Please note, do not mention anything like crypto on the transaction. Okay, now I'll copy it now. I've copied the number. To copy the number, just click on this little button close to it here. And that is it, okay? So right now, I will go to my app and send this money to this person. So the fund have been sent. So right now, I'll just click on complete payment because I've made payment to this person. Tick this button here, I understand. Click on confirm. Then right now, we'll wait for this person to release the coin, all right? So just wait for some minutes or seconds. Right now, the seller have released the coin. You can see the notification here. So right now, let's go back to our main account and use this USDT now to buy Toncoin. Click on this back arrow to go back. So here is the main page right now. To buy Toncoin with the USDT, click on spot. Or if you want to check your balance, you can just click on assets to see your balance, all right? So to buy Toncoin with that USDT now, click on spots. Then let's search for Ton. At the top here where you have BTC to USDT, click on it. Then leave this thing on USDT because the coin you have with you is USDT, okay? If it is USDC, you can leave it on USDC. But since it is USDT, leave it on USDT, all right? And leave it here on spot. don't take it to perpetual. Perpetual is future trade, so leave it on spot. So right now we are going to search for Toncoin. So now this is Toncoin. You can see we have two Toncoin here. The first one is Toncoin/USDT, while the second one is Toncoin USDT. Beneath it, you see it is written perpetual. The perpetual means that it is future. So we don't want to trade future, we want to trade spot. So we'll be going with the first one here. Okay, you can see the current price of Toncoin here. Let's buy 10 USDT worth of Toncoin. So here where you have other value, enter 10, then click the button buy Ton. Click on buy Ton. That is it. So right now we have bought the Toncoin. Okay, to see your Toncoin balance, click on assets. You will see your balance here. Okay, so right now to move this Toncoin to your Tonkeeper wallet or your Telegram account, follow this step. Open your Tonkeeper wallet. Now this is my Tonkeeper wallet. You can see I don't have anything on this wallet. So right now to receive Toncoin on this your wallet, click on receive. Copy this wallet address. Just hit on this copy here. Then go back to your Bybit account. Okay. On your Bybit account, click on withdraw. Click on Ton. Since you have Ton, click on Ton. Then paste the wallet address you just copied now on where you have wallet address here. Then now going downward, where you have memo, optional, just leave it, no need. Okay? Then enter the amount of ton you want to withdraw. So let me say I want to withdraw 0.5 ton. Okay? The next thing here, click on withdraw. Click on confirm. Right now, I need to authenticate my account to show that yes, I'm the one actually making transactions on this my Bybit account. So I'll authenticate this now and proceed with the procedures. So now I have authenticated the withdrawal and the withdrawal application has been submitted. You can see it here. Okay, so that is how to withdraw the money from your Bybit account to your Tonkeeper account or your Telegram Tonspace wallet. Okay, to get a wallet address, just click on receive or deposit. You will see your wallet address. Okay, so right now let me go back to my Tonkeeper and see if the money has been credited to my account. Let me refresh. Not yet, so I'll have to wait for a few seconds. So now you can see that the money is now in my account. You can see the equivalent here, $3.63. You can see the Toncoin balance here, which is 0.5, which I withdraw from Bybit just now. All right, so this is just it, guys. Follow me for more. Like this video for me and share with your contact. Please share this video for me, okay? To support me, give me a like. I'll see you in my next video. I'll your crypto Sam. Bye for now.